어릴 때 원했던 어른이 된 나 Thought I found Oh why she's mine 놓칠까 달렸던 나
We just took Stan to Wixty Park and now we're going to go take him to Pets at Home, aren't we, Stan? Stan, where are we going now? Little reindeer one.
Oh, that might be
Oh,
cute.
this is the Christmas jumper thing that King was talking about.
Oh yeah. Do you think that one's cute?
Might be. Wait.
That's huge on him.
Yeah.
Definitely a medium.
What size is this?
Small by the looks of it. Yeah.
What is it? That's quite cute.
Yeah. Do you want a Christmas pudding?
Say that again.
Do this one? Finally found the Christmas pudding one that we were looking for.
Stanley's found what he wants.
You'll have it out your hand, didn't you?
Where's the Stan? Today's plan is to go to the garden centre and find some presents. What are you looking at?
You usually just see ones that are like this or something, don't you? But
Yeah.
they're all like lemons and... I think it's lemons.
Yeah, it's oranges and lemons. They're quite nice, aren't they?
They are good actually. Different to most ones.
Yeah. Iced coffee vanilla from Master Cafe. It's so cold that we haven't scraped off the ice off the car. We're in the Imaginarium in York.
gingerbread.
Oh yeah, they are.
We've been around the shops, around the market. Basically just a lot of shopping really.
Yeah, well, we're carrying our own shopping, aren't
Yeah, they did mostly shopping really. So we finished our shopping for the day. We didn't pick up much, just a present for my mum and then a little decoration that we'll probably show you later. It's been absolutely freezing all day. We've both been wearing 2 pairs of socks and our feet have been numb all day. But it's been nice. There's lots of Christmas lights everywhere, which you've probably seen in the clips. We're about to head to dinner now. We've booked a reservation at the Cozy Club. Good morning. It's the next day now. We had an alright sleep, it wasn't too bad. When we first got to the hotel, we ended up changing rooms, just like, it was a bit dirty the first room, but nothing too bad. Had an alright sleep, but the fire alarm went off at just gone 6 this morning, so didn't get a full night's sleep. Went back to sleep after that and then woke up about just gone 8 o'clock. We're about to head to M&S now and pick up some bits for breakfast and then head home. Gonna wanna go.
Like and subscribe. Hopefully you enjoyed the video.